My name is Lily Hong, and I am a project engineer at Jubilant HollisterStier. As a project engineer, I work directly with supporting manufacturing, which works directly with the fill line. So I do a lot of work to help them optimize their processes. I also do a lot of work to bring equipment into this facility. So a big part of my job is getting equipment qualified. We go through IQ, OQ, and PQ, so installation, operational, and performance qualification. At Jubilant HollisterStier, we are a contract manufacturer of sterile injectable drugs. So we take drug product from compounding all the way through filling and packaging. To be a project engineer at Jubilant HollisterStier, you need to have a bachelor's degree in engineering. There's a pretty high demand for project engineers. In pharmaceuticals, it's such a niche interest, so I think there's a lot of demand for engineers that are knowledgeable in this specific industry as well. I think that we have a lot of work to do to get women involved in engineering, and I think that goes really far back. So I think getting women interested in STEM at a young age is really, really important. I think that women bring a new perspective to things like engineering. What I love about my job is that it is a huge variety of different things I get to do, and every day I'm learning something new.
CareerExploreNW.org